What this is to replace the FS-7 pedal. So imagine two FS-7s, so that's one and that's another one. And then on the back, you've got two connections, just like two FS-7s. So two stereo or TRS 6.3mm connections that go into the Control 1-2 and the Control 3-4 of the RC600. I think this is the better way, being an FS-7 up and down as opposed to across like an FS-6. I think this is much better. More people are going to use it in that way, and obviously one goes into Control 1-2, the other one goes into Control 3-4. But the other thing as well is we need to talk about the price. No disrespect to Boss whatsoever, but if you go and buy one of these, this is actually $73.99 on Sweetwater, or for my UK friends on Thomann, it's £66. And then all you're going to do is flick it onto Momentary, so you can use it with an RC600. Putting that to the side for 1 second, this, with its spacer, comes in at $129 US, but right now it's $109. So a quick Google conversion from US dollars to British pounds, it's £80 and 77 pence. So for me, where one of these is 66 quid and then this is £80, it's an absolute no-brainer.